If your rubber plant is showing roots at the bottom of the container, it is time to repot it. You should repot your rubber plant from spring to early summer so that the new plant settles down before winter. I will demonstrate the procedure of repotting on my new rubber plant grown from cutting. This rubber plant is about 1 year old, and as you see, it is in a small pot, so it may have developed strong roots and needs repotting. I see a tiny root coming on the surface also. Some roots are coming out from the bottom holes of the pot, so it needs repotting into a bigger pot. Before you start to repot, water the plant 3 days before. Prepare the pot and the soil. It is better to repot it in a pot which is 1 or 2 size bigger so that you do not need to repot in next 3 to 4 years. Any type of pot can be used, but that should have many drainage holes at its bottom, ensuring good drainage of extra water. Rubber plant needs a good quality potting mix that drains well. Mix cow manure or compost and coarse river sand or perlite in the soil. Fill half of the new pot with this potting mix. Trap the pot or press it from all the sides and take out the plant carefully. And backfill with the potting mix, slightly pushing to eliminate any air pockets. Lightly press the soil to secure the root ball. Add more mix if necessary. Apply a thick layer of organic mulch to retain the moisture inside and also to keep the weeds away. Water well. Care of your new repotted rubber plant is simple. Place your plant in bright indirect light. Keep away from heat sources like room heaters and AC hot air. Watering for rubber plant. Correct watering is the most important thing in keeping the rubber plant, especially when it is actively growing. Water only when the topsoil feels dry to touch. Give a liquid feed in the growing season in spring and summer. Rubber plant is resistant to pests and diseases if grown in well-lit areas. Spray pest oil solution and clean with a damp cloth to remove dust and make the leaves shiny and also to protect from insects.